Hey there, friends. Jessica here, and I'm so glad you stopped by today. Are you having trouble joining your favorite Roblox games on your phone? Don't worry, I've got your back. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, so you can jump back into your gaming adventures without a hitch. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Now, if you're tapping the play button on a game but it just won't let you join, don't panic. There are a few simple steps you can take to fix this issue, both inside the app and on your device. In the Roblox app, head over to the settings by tapping the More button in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down to Settings and select Account Info. First, verify your email. If your email address isn't verified, it could be causing issues with joining games. Simply tap the Verify option and Roblox will send you an email. Open that email, click the link, and you're all set. This is a super important step to ensure everything works smoothly. Some games or features might be restricted based on age, so confirming your age can unlock those for you. Tap Verify My Age, follow the steps, and once that's done, you'll have access to more features and games. If you've done all that and you're still having trouble, it's time to check your device settings. Go to your phone settings and find the Roblox app. Here you'll want to clear the cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the app to glitch. If clearing the cache doesn't help, try reinstalling the app. This not only gives you a fresh start, but also ensures you're running the latest version of Roblox. Now try joining a game. Everything should now be working perfectly, and you can get back to enjoying Roblox without any interruptions. If this guide helped you out, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy gaming! See you in the next one!